Let's solve this WAEC question. Let's rewrite it like this: 1 over 3k minus 4, then minus 1 over 2k plus 1 less than 1 over 6. This is an inequality question. So let's first simplify this and take away the fraction. We can either open the bracket like this, or let's just find the LCM. So now let's find the LCM for this. The LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So this way we have 6. 3 will go in 6 two times. So this will be 2 bracket k minus 4. Then minus 2 will go in 6 three times. So we have 3 bracket k plus 1 is less than 1 over 6. Now let's open the bracket here so that we have 2k minus 8, then minus 3k minus 3 over 6 less than 1 over 6. Now let's cross multiply so that we have 6 bracket 2k minus 8. Let's even subtract. Let's simplify what we have in the bracket at once. So 2k minus 3k would give negative k. So we have negative k. Then minus 8k minus 3k will give minus 11. So this is, when we cross multiply, we multiply by 6 and this will be less than 6. Now we can divide both sides by 6 so that negative k negative 11 will be less than 1. Now if negative k negative 11 is less than 1, now we can say minus k is less than 11. When negative 11 comes here, it becomes positive. Now we are to find k. Let's divide both sides by negative 1. Mind you, when you are dividing by negative in inequality, the sign will change. So since we have divided by negative now, k will be greater than negative 11, and that is the answer.